Everyone has goals, but some individuals consistently outperform others when it comes to accomplishing them. Have you ever wondered what sets these high achievers apart? The answer lies in their strategic and proven approach to goal setting and attainment. And today, we're here to share that secret with you. Introducing a game-changing concept, the power of an effective action plan. By following a systematic process, you can significantly increase your chances of success and turn your aspirations into tangible achievements. In this video, we'll walk you through 6 crucial steps that will empower you to create an action plan that truly works. Get ready to unleash your full potential and become a master of goal achievement. The path to greatness is within your grasp. Let's seize it. Step 1. Attain clarity. Imagine you're embarking on a journey, but you have no idea where you're headed. Would you ever reach your destination? Probably not. The same goes for achieving your goals. The first step in creating an action plan is to decide exactly what you want. Think of clarity as the superpower of goal setting. It's like having a clear map that guides you towards success. Instead of vague goals like more money, better health, or happiness, be specific about what you truly desire. For example, how much money do you want to earn in a specific period? What level of health and fitness are you aiming for? But it doesn't stop there. To function like a well-oiled machine, you need goals that cover every important area of your life. These areas include your health, career, finances, relationships, personal and professional development, as well as your community and spiritual growth. By setting multidimensional goals, you'll create a balanced and fulfilling life. Now here's the interesting part. When you set clear, specific goals, you already set yourself apart from most people. Surprisingly, many people have no idea what they truly want. They wander through life without a clear direction, feeling stuck and unfulfilled. Why is that? Well, it's often because of the fear of failure. Setting vague goals allows them to avoid the risk of falling short. But here's the truth. If you don't set clear, specific goals, you can't truly fail to achieve them because they're so undefined. So, break free from the fear and uncertainty. Get crystal clear about what you want in each aspect of your life. Embrace the power of setting specific goals, and you'll be on your way to a life filled with purpose and accomplishment. It's time to take charge and create the future you truly desire. Step 2. Write it down. Did you know that only 3% of adults have written goals? That means the majority of people plan to write them down, but never actually get around to it. The thing is, success starts with a simple act: planning. All you need is a pad of paper, a pen, and a few minutes of your time. Let's try the 3-goal method. Take less than 30 seconds to jot down the 3 most important goals in your life right now. Don't overthink it. Just write down the first 3 goals that come to mind. Those 3 goals you wrote down, they actually provide a clear picture of what you truly want in life. They represent your deepest desires and aspirations. Here's the fascinating part. When you write a goal down, it's like programming it into your subconscious mind. It triggers a series of mental powers within you that will help you achieve more than you ever imagined. By writing it down, you begin to expect and believe in your ability to accomplish that goal. And as a result, you start attracting people and circumstances into your life that align with your goals. Now, I encourage you to take it a step further. Share your 3 important goals in the comment section below. By publicly stating your goals, you not only solidify your commitment, but also inspire and motivate others who may be on a similar journey. Let's create a supportive community where we can cheer each other on towards achieving our goals. Step 3. Set deadlines. Once you've set your goals, the next step is to set a deadline. Think of a deadline as a target time for achieving your goal. It's like a due date that gives you something to aim for. If your goal is quite big, it can be helpful to break it down into smaller parts and set sub-deadlines for each of them. This way, you can track your progress and stay on track. Now, what if you don't achieve your goal by the initial deadline? That's okay. You can simply set another deadline. Remember, a deadline is just an estimate of when you think you'll achieve your goal. Sometimes you may reach your goal earlier than expected, and other times it may take longer. The important thing is to have a target time in mind before you begin. Deadlines act as a forcing system on your subconscious mind. They create a sense of urgency and motivation to work towards your goal within a specific time frame. It's like giving your mind a nudge in the right direction. Step 4. Make a list. To achieve your goal, make a detailed list of all the tasks you need to do. Many people forget to list the small steps after setting their goals in writing. Identify obstacles, required knowledge, skills, and people who can help you. A thorough list boosts motivation, desire, and belief in your goal. Combine everything into a plan, prioritizing and sequencing tasks. Priority means deciding what's more or less important. Sequence determines the order in which tasks should be done. List all the steps you can think of, adding new ones as they come up. Remember the 80-20th rule. 80% of results come from 20% of activities. The 20-80th rule states that the initial planning phase is most valuable, saving time and effort. Step 5. Create a plan. Now that you have your detailed list, it's time to turn it into a well-organized plan. Start by scheduling your activities for each day, week, and month in advance. Plan your month at the beginning of the month, your week over the weekend, and your day the evening before. When you plan your tasks with care and include all the necessary details, you'll be able to accomplish more in less time. Here's a helpful rule. Every minute spent on planning can save you 10 minutes when it comes to actually doing the tasks. As you go through each day according to your plan, choose your number one most important task for that day. You can use the 80-20 rule to set your priorities. Ask yourself, if I could only do one thing from this list, which activity is the most important? Write a number 1 next to that task. Then ask yourself, if I could only do one more task from this list, which one would be the most valuable use of my time? Write a number 2 next to that task. Keep asking this question until you have identified the top 20% of your tasks, prioritized and organized in the order they need to be done. And now you have a solid action plan to guide you on your journey towards achieving your goal. Step 6. Take action. Now it's time to take action. Keep an eye on your progress and make changes as needed. Remember to do something every day that brings you closer to what you truly want in life. It could be a small step or a big leap, as long as it moves you in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.